Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today we're going to check out a Bell Internet Stick. Man, this is such an interesting little piece of technology that I would have used a lot more if I actually got out of my basement, went somewhere, and if I didn't automatically kind of have this option tethering with my cell phone to begin with. So this little Chazwazla was something that you were supposed to use to give your computer a wireless signal. You just plug it in, it gets the wireless signal, press play, and all is well. Now, the interesting story with this is my neighbor found it on her lawn. She was the one that gave me I had a digital chessboard that arrived on my doorstep. I thought it was one of my fans, but it turned out it was just my neighbor. And she keeps getting technology that she says I just found it on my front lawn. She just found this thing on her front lawn. Anyways, yeah, in Canada, these things are prohibitively expensive. Or at least that's what any reasonable person would think if they actually looked at the rates we pay for data in Canada versus the rest of the world. It's freaking crazy. It's like $10 a gig. This is why we can't have nice things, people. Anyways, me and the Sailor Scouts thought that it'd be good to pop this thing open, crack it open, and see what makes it tick. It definitely looks like this is one of those things that are all clipped together. So I'm not going to take this thing apart beautifully, but I want to see what's in there. Maybe there's some treasure. So yeah, it was definitely a bit of a clippy instrument. Anyways, I got this sucker open, and here we can see where the antenna was. Interesting little flat antenna that is just pretty much pasted directly to the top. In here we got our friendly neighborhood heat shield. I suppose this is where you would put an external antenna. Never seen one quite like that, I don't think. And what the heck is this piggybacking on the back? Okay, anyways, let's take this heat shield off. Hopefully it is yes, it is just a heat shield. Easy pop off. What do we got in here? Come on. We have a QUALCOMM chip. I should have expected that. But really, what's this thing at the back? Okay, I got this thing busted out, but seriously, what the frick is that? Is that some kind of antenna that I'm not understanding? Is it some kind of a clip? No, because it's soldered on right there. That's got to be an antenna, I'm thinking. Looks like we got some interesting kibble on the back. And if you listen with the right kind of ears, you can hear my son upstairs trying to scream. I do not recommend you do this at home, folks. Alright, so I can't easily get this part off. That chip is super small. We have the card reader here, and I can't easily get that off. I wonder if I put a little bit of time, if I can whittle that off. And geez, that is so small. Is that an ARM chip? Enhance. What do you mean it doesn't work that way? I've never seen a card reader fuse to a heat shield like that. That is some interesting piggybacking you got going on there, my guys. Alright, I am not at all familiar with that one, Nandar 99. Let's see if I can get a bit of light on this situation. Nandar. If that's NAND Flash? Nah, it can't be NAND Flash. It wouldn't be. But anyways, that's what I got going on here. That's what's on the inside. Interesting heat shield. Interesting setup. Well, that's it for me and the Sailor Scouts. Take it easy. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.